We have the philosophy to use only as many resources as we need, be it water, be it the materials we process, but also the energy to run our machines and to heat our buildings. We are a conscious company and we implement more and more programs in our operations, and that also can be seen by our customers when they get the products. I got the opportunity to build up this team of sustainability business development experts and to make sure basically that we are fit for the future with our operations and to drive this program further.
All aspects of sustainability really matter because we can reduce waste, we can be more efficient, and this will lead to high quality.
The first steps we are doing in our operations is basically producing our own energy, connecting our operations to local heat networks. That is the first aspect in order to reduce the CO2 footprint within our operations.
Wir haben 3 Wasserkraftwerke. Insgesamt decken die ca. 30% des gesamten Strombedarfs ab. Wir reden hier von rund 6.000 Megawattstunden rein hier erneuerbare Energien. Wir haben natürlich hier auch die Nachhaltigkeitsaspekte berücksichtigt, Fischleiter gebaut und auch hier sehr stark auf den Wasserschutz geachtet.
We are working to install solar panels in all our locations worldwide.
With this system, we are able to generate enough energy for 30 football World Cups.
We buy green energy, so from renewable sources such as solar or geothermal in Indonesia, or also from wind farms across the region.
By being efficient, we also reduce the cost of our products, so the customers can only benefit.
We are really pioneer for sustainability in this region.
Our main focus basically is towards the energy saving purpose. So that's why we do the insulation of the extruders and also the cool tanks. There are times that the machine does not run in full. So we have to match these loadings to reduce the energy wastage. So we have introduced the variable control drive inverter system to control and regulate the chiller pumps and motors pressures to suit to the machine needs at this time.
Circular economy to me is important as it's transforming waste into value.
We developed the scrap recycling just by analyzing which product we can do that, and then we try to understand what were the challenges from the hardware perspective and process engineering perspective.
We are actually reusing something like 400 tons of PVC plastics in that way.
You know, Malaysia, we have high rainfall, about 60% in the year. So we also use the water that we harvest in the chiller circulation system.
Sustainability is a challenge overall. We really need to oversee everything from a different side. I would say that also the mindset of people, because it's always really to talk to them and let understand why we should do and change and move forward.
Life isn't only about what you do, but how you do it. The most important thing is that we create value for the customer, also in the aspect of sustainability, and in the end produce sustainably.